Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. So today is going to be a very simple one. I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this simple everyday look that you can get done in 30 minutes and be out of the house. You can wear this to work, you can wear this to school, pretty much anywhere. If you're interested, then let's head straight to today's video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to highlight my face with my gleambymelaniemills as usual. I'm going to apply this on the high point of my face. I already moisturized my face though, so that is out of the way. I usually moisturize my face before I come on here because most of the time I probably just showered before filming or I just washed my face, so my face is already moisturized. So I always have people asking me that, oh, if I have oily skin, do I really need to moisturize? I do have oily skin, like I have very oily skin, but you still have to moisturize. No matter your skin type, you want to always make sure that you moisturize your face because it's very important. And you know, moisturizing also makes your face think like, oh, this is dry, I need to produce more oil. So you not even moisturizing before you do your makeup gives your face a reason to produce more oil than when you already have it hydrated and moisturized. So no matter the kind of skin that you have, you just have to find the moisturizer that works for you and always make sure that you moisturize. So next step now is to apply a primer, and the primer that you use depends on your skin type. If you have dry skin or if you have oily skin, I like to use this my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. I'm just going to use this on the places that I tend to get oily the most. Usually when I do my everyday makeup, I try to skip some steps or I try to just basically walk around steps and see which is going to be quicker for me. And I usually go in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade. English is hard. English is hard. I usually go in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Chestnut first. So I apply this under my eyes, my forehead and my chin. I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge and blend all of this out. I'm going to go back in with the concealer and apply a little bit more around my mouth. I'm going to go back in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to use this to furthermore brighten under my eyes. You could skip this you could skip this step though, it's not necessary, but I like my under eyes a little bit brighter than this, so I'm just going to go back in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to leave that to dry down a little bit, and I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Deep Bronze. And I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and just apply that to the remaining parts of my face. Just going over everything again, making sure that we see no lines and everything is blended nicely. Now that everything is blended out nicely, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Superstay powder, and this one is in the shade Coconut. So this is to set the concealer first before we bake. After touching my powder with my beauty sponge, I like pressing it at the back of my hand to get the excess product out before I put it on my face. Bronze with my CoverGirl bronzer in the shade Ebony. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible powder, and this one is in the shade Cocoa. I'm going to go back in with my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to blend the powder under my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this one is in the shade Molten Gold. Depending on my mood, I either want to apply mascara and call it a day, or I want to apply my false lashes, but I think I'm going to apply lashes today. But first up, I'm going to be going in with my mascara, and I'm going to be using these two mascaras from Essence. I'm going to be applying a little bit of liner just in front right here, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline gel liner. Now we're going to move to lips, and I like to line with my ABH brow pomade in the shade Chocolate. I'm just going to be using that to line my lips. Any brown pencil of your choice would work perfectly well for this part. I'm a gloss girl, and most of the time when I just line my lips like this every day, I just put gloss over it, and that's about it. No lipstick, nothing, just liner and gloss. And I'm going to be using this gloss that I got from the hair store, so you can get any clear lip gloss that you have, or you could use the tinted glosses as well. I'm feeling extra, so I'm just going to go in with my highlighter that I used earlier. And that's pretty much it for this look, guys. This is my everyday beat when I have anywhere to go to. I get this done in a maximum of 30 minutes when I have to be out of the house real quick. This is my go-to right here. And yeah, that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. Do not forget to like this video. If you did enjoy, drop a nice comment, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.